YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy right here. I'm making a quick video on how to fix these red premium guards walls that I've been selling lately, and my clients have been telling me that they've been rattling and all this stuff on them. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that, and I'm gonna show you guys how they rattle. So check it out. I got 3 different ones right here that are rattling. So if this is going on with you guys' guards, this is the video to watch on how to fix them. You guys hear that? You guys hear that? That's pretty loud. That's the reason why you guys are telling me they're rattling. But I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. You hear that? Hear that rattling right there? Wow. This is the way to fix it, right, man? It's gonna be pretty hard for me because I'm just using one hand. But this is how we're gonna do it. See this little metal piece right here? Alright, that little metal piece right there. What you wanna do is give it a bend down. Bend it down. Not so crazy because then you don't want to break it. But give it a little bend to it. Try it on. Hear that little snap? So if it's still rattling like that, pop it back off. Bend it some more. Give it another bend. My bad, I dropped it. So you want to bend that some more. There it is. Nice and snagged on. Now I'm going to show you on the other ones now. Try out the other ones. Okay, this one too. Same thing. That little metal piece right there. Right here. Bend that. Don't bend it too crazy. Then you're going to break your guard. Then you ain't going to have no guard. So you want to try it on. See if it actually snugged on good. See it rattling a little bit more. So that means it needs a little bit more bending. Bend a little bit more. Alright, let's try that. Boom. Problem fixed. Problem solved. Problem fixed. Don't be throwing away these guards, man. These guards are sick. I got these. Been using them for about weeks already. I'm loving them, man. So you pop this sucker back off. Now I'm gonna show you on the next one. All 3 of these been rattling, but I'm gonna bend that down. This right here was holding it. This piece right here was holding it snugged on to the blade. So that's what your problem's at. See that? Not bad. My guard's probably just getting bit up by the blades. Got my 0 gap. So if it's still rattling, bend it some more. Just don't go too crazy with it. Pop it back on. See that rattle? See, it means it needs some more bending. Let's try it. So yeah, man, just don't chuck them away. They're still good. Nothing wrong with the guards. Just the manufacturer doesn't test them out before they sell them. So That's what it is. Hear that? No more rattling in there. It's all quiet. So yeah, man, there you go. I'm gonna let you guys see again one more time. Putting the 1.5. Boom. No noise. Open it. Give it a little shake. Boom. Good. Last one, the 0 guard. Boom. Quiet. Perfect. No rattling. So yeah, man, there it is. That's how you fix these. If your guys' stuff is rattling, make sure you give my video a like, and see you next time, man.